The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the EU group of forces, aviation and artillery fire, have eliminated over 400 Ukrainian troops, 4 armored fighting vehicles, 10 motor vehicles, 4 pickup trucks, 1 Grad MLRS vehicle and 1 D-20 howitzer. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted fire damage on Ukrainian units close to Vladimirovka, Novopol of Donetsk People's Republic, and Malaya Tokmachka and Shakovki in Zaporozhye region. The enemy's losses have amounted to over 40 Ukrainian troops, 2 pickup trucks and 1 D-20 howitzer in this direction during the day. In the Kherson direction, up to 30 Ukrainian troops, 2 motor vehicles and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer have been destroyed over the past 24 hours. In total, 404 airplanes, 226 helicopters, 3,600 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,421 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,074 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,447 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,146 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 610 servicemen in a single day, including 6 armored fighting vehicles as well as 7 artillery units and 3 special equipment. In total, Kremlin lost 171,160 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,595 tanks, 6,953 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 397 days. There is still no peace talk agreements between two sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of the 66th Separate Mechanized Brigade of the Ground Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine destroys the enemy. Russia's servicemen are under fire attack. The enemy losses still are not countable. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky paid a visit to Dnipropetrovsk region March 27th. I visited the Nikopol district, which is constantly under enemy fire. I discussed the consequences of the terrorist attacks on Nikopol, Marhanets and other settlements in the region, Zelensky said.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!